So, hi everyone. My name is Emmanuel, and today we are going to talk about functions. So, basically, functions, uh, by its name, is something supposed to do what you want. In Python, the way we define a function, use def keyword and continue with the name of function. For now, we are going to do basic function which will print something like this one, and here I can do something like print and put anything that I want. So for this function to work, it has to be called somewhere. So if you don't call it, nothing gonna happen. Like if I try to run this one, you will see nothing here. So that the main reason is see there is nothing. Uh, but when I try to call it here, like do this and run this again, we see to print something like this is a function, but the function uh, can accept some parameters. These are the data that comes outside. So like I can print the first name and the last name of the user. You can pass the argument like a first name, and here we are going to do something like we are going to display those names like this function has two parameters. But for me, I'm going to put their names like this one, and here I can define the first name. Let's put something like a test, and oh sorry, this is the first and the rest. Okay, and I'm going to paste all of them right here under. Let's run this again. Now you can see this function has first name, which is that, and last name is last name. So here you can even define the type or the parameter you want. Like you can put the first name is gonna be a text, or so which means this should be a string, and the same thing for this one. You can also say like it is not going to return something. So when you do something like this one, it works the same. But the time you find there is incorrect type, like you put a number instead of text and you run this again, the same thing, it works. But if you want to make this more perfect, you can try uh, raising any errors in case there is one. Like I can put a condition, or I can put like if this one is not part of the string, just tell the user there is an error, and if there is no error, we want to call this one, and by the time you have done everything, so you can cross this one. And finally, you can say any word that we need to show, like function completed. And let's try and run this again. So I'm going to press this one, and you will see now we are getting an error. So say like both first name and last name must be a string. So basically, this is the sample or video about the functions. So thank you for time, and I will see you in the next session.